This was a hacked TikTok account, and this is after recovering it. This was a forgotten TikTok account, and this is after being recovered. After the long research of my whole day, I came up with 2 working solutions to recover your TikTok account. Whether your TikTok account has got hacked and the hacker has changed your email address, password, and phone number, or you have forgotten your TikTok account, you don't remember the email address and you don't remember the password and username or anything about your account. In both cases, the solutions I will propose will work. So for recovering your hacked or forgotten TikTok account, you need to do only one thing, and that is you must watch this entire video till the end without skipping a single second, because if you skip, this is not gonna work. You will not have any right to complain at the end if this video didn't work if you skip in between, but I guarantee you that if you watch the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, you will be able to recover your hacked or forgotten TikTok account. So as I've already mentioned that I will propose 2 solutions. The first solution that I'm going to tell you will work for many of the people, but the solution number 2 works for almost 100% of the people, and you will be able to recover your account using the solution number 2. So the first solution is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to this search button and write here TikTok and hit the search button. When this TikTok app appears up, you have to click on it, and you have to first of all update your TikTok app if there is any pending update. This is the first and most mandatory step. If you don't update your TikTok, you will not be able to recover your account. As I don't have any pending update and I have the word open written here at the place of update, that's why I'm gonna continue. So after updating TikTok, you have to open it. After opening TikTok, when you are redirected here on this login page, you have to go with the very first option in this list, which is use phone, email, or username. And after that, you have to click on this question mark available at the top right corner of the screen. Next, this interface will be appeared up. You have to tap on the very first option again in this list, which is recover your account. Now you have to again go to the first option, which is TikTok username. And here you have to enter the username of the TikTok profile which was hacked and press the next button. Now it will send a login link to your email address which was associated with your TikTok account. This trick works if you have forgotten your TikTok account. But if the hacker has hacked your TikTok account and he has changed your email address, then you have to go back and back again. Then you have to go with the second option, which is phone number. You have to enter your phone number here and press the next button. A login link will be sent to your phone number, and from there you can recover your account. This trick also works for recovering your forgotten TikTok account. And if the hacker has also changed the phone number, then you have to again go back and tap on this email option here. Just enter your email address here and press the next button. A login link will be sent to your email address, and from there you can log in or recover your TikTok account. And if you used to use Instagram for logging into your TikTok account, you can also recover your TikTok account by going into this 4th option in this list, which is Instagram. Enter your Instagram username here, and a login link will be sent to your Instagram account, and from there you can recover your forgotten or hacked TikTok account. These things will work for forgotten TikTok accounts, but what if the hacker has changed all of these things? He has changed your phone number and email address, and he has unlinked your Instagram account from your TikTok. Then you have to follow this video for method number 2, which works for 100% of the people for recovering their TikTok account. For that purpose, you have to close TikTok and open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. After that, you have to go to Google and write here TikTok Help Center and hit the search button. And the very first link which appears up, you have to tap on that. And here in the search bar of TikTok Help Center, you have to write hacked and hit the search button. Now when this page appears up, you have to scroll down and scroll more on this page. And here you get the option report a problem. So tap on it. And from here you have to tap on this option available in the top right corner of this page. Now this is the most important thing here. You have to write exactly the same thing I am writing, so watch carefully. So you have to write, hi TikTok team. My name is Jones and my TikTok username is ABC123. I'm writing just for example. You have to write the username of the account that was hacked. I woke up this morning and got to know that I have been logged out from my TikTok account. it has been hacked and my email, password and phone number has been changed by the hacker. You can ask for anything for approving my identity, but please help me recover my account. My hacked account's link. And here you have to paste the link of the profile that was hacked. For example, this is the account that was hacked by someone else. You have to tap on this share button available and press this copy link button. And after that, again go to this page and paste it here, my email address. And here you have to write the email address on which TikTok team can contact you. And after that, press this gallery option and upload some screenshots of your account if you have any. This will strong up your case and TikTok team will be more confident that this account belongs to you. So if you have any media or pictures of your account or any other information related to it, just upload it here and submit this request. And let me write a thanks here and let me show them that I'm sad. And after that, just submit this request and TikTok team will hopefully contact you within 48 hours on the email address which you have provided. And they will help you recover your TikTok account. Now, if you want to know that how the hackers hack the TikTok accounts or how your account has got hacked, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.